Hello everyone, I'm Zuzka, the Craftsy Penguin, and this is how I do the twisted ties on friendship bracelets. I twist each half of my strands of yarn individually, but I'm wrapping them around each other as I go. So here you can see me twisting each part of the strands and then wrapping it around each other as I go, twisting the halves between my fingers and using the fingers on my left hand to wrap one strand around the other as I go. This way the ties become very even, very regular and pretty tight and very tidy. So I prefer this method to the others that you can see around. And when I get to the end, I just make a simple overhand knot wherever I need the tie to end and pull it very tight and then snip off the excess of the yarn. So here you'll see me doing the overhand knot just like this, pulling it through once and pulling it tight to the end of the tie. So this way I have a very nice twisted tie at the end of my friendship bracelet, and I will do the other one in a bit. I actually learned this method while making hairdos and hairstyles, making rope braids in my hair and in other people's hair, and I find it tidier and actually easier to make than other methods that are around the internet, advising you to first twist one half then the other and then either knot them together and let them just twist around themselves, or wrap them around each other when you have them both all twisted. So I find making it as you go easier and tidier. So here you can see me pinning the friendship bracelets again to my pillow, and I'm using whichever place in the bracelet is easy to pin, but usually closer to the end where the tie is going to be. So again you can see me twisting each part of the strands and using the fingers on my left hand to wrap it around the other one. Right hand putting one strand between the fingers of the left hand, and with a simple motion of my wrist just wrapping it around each other. So at this end I don't have the long strands that I'm going to cut, so by the end I have a very short ties, but it works very well with just twisting it between your fingers. As you will see, I will soon have it finished and make another knot at the end, snip it, and that will be it. So thank you for watching, thank you for liking this video, thank you for commenting, thank you for subscribing to my channel, thanks to all of my new subscribers. And now, please visit my social medias, visit my coffee, I'm working on my shop over there. Have a great time, enjoy crafting, enjoy creating, and enjoy the colors. Goodbye.